This is an example of how to write an equation of a line given 2 points. In my first example, my points are 6, -3, and 8, -5. The first thing you need to do to write an equation is find the slope. I'm going to label my points x1, y1, and x2, y2, because this is my first point and this is my second point. To find the slope, it's the change in y over the change in x. -3 minus -5 over 6 minus 8. That gives me 2 over -2 or -1. So my slope is -1. Second, you need to choose one of the points. I am going to choose the first point, 6, -3. And again, I'm labeling it my x1 and my y1. Third, we're going to use point slope form to write our equation. Point slope form is y minus the y value of your point equal to the slope times x minus the x value of your point. I am going to get the slope and the x1, y1 values from the slope and the point that I chose. So I have y minus my y1, which is -3, equals my slope, which we found right here to be -1, times x minus my x1 value, which is right here, 6. Pretty this up. And here is my equation in point slope form. You could be done, but you could also put this into slope. I'm realizing I lost you guys. Slope intercept form, which basically means solve for y. So over here, I would then distribute the -1 and then subtract the 3. And this is my equation in slope-intercept form. Let's do another example. Write the equation of the line that's going through the points 3, 4, and 5, 8. Pause the video right now and try this on your own. When you're done, come back and check your work. Welcome back. So the first step is to find the slope. Change in y over change in x. So I got a slope value of 2. Pick a point. I'm picking my first point, x1, y1. Use point slope form. So I have y minus my y value equals my slope times x minus my x value. This is my equation in point slope form. If I continue, I can get y by itself by first distributing the 2 and adding the 4. And this would be my equation in slope-intercept form.